Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix object snaps not accurate on large coordinates using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your jumping mouse alignment guides on your current setup session so your pointer locks on to line corners perfectly instead of skipping around. Step 1. Use a secret base point variable to help the computer calculate. Click inside the empty typing box at the bottom of your screen, type the words UCS base, press the Enter key on your keyboard, type the number 1 and hit the Enter key one more time. Watch the bottom notification row to verify that the setting value has successfully changed to match your new preference rule. Because turning on this secondary calculating path gives the software a closer checkpoint to look at while you work. Instead of calculating the tiny distance between two lines from a base point that is miles away, it uses a fresh, local starting point. It ensures your green target boxes stop flickering and stay steady right under your cursor tip. Step 2. Move your entire drawing closer to the absolute zero center of the software world. Drag a giant selection box over your entire blueprint layout, type the word Move into your bottom typing row, hit Enter, click a clear corner of your shape, type the coordinates 0, 0, 0, and press your Enter key firmly. Watch your drawing vanish from its old spot and type the letters Z, then E, and hit Enter to zoom right in on your new home base location. Because it completely resolves the core issue by resetting your map distance down to absolute zero. When your shapes are sitting right at the central home base, the computer parts can track your lines with absolute micro precision. It is the key step to getting the right output because it removes the massive distance numbers that confuse the software's alignment tool. Step 3. Turn on the high precision snapping switch. The final step is to open your mouse preferences box and turn on the internal depth filters to make sure the software checks the exact front edges of your lines instead of guessing. Type the word Options into your bottom bar, press Enter, click on the tab marked Drafting, look for the alignment box settings, and check the box to turn on full tracking. Make sure the snapping target box size slider setting is set to a medium, comfortable width. Click Apply and hit the OK button to save your choices. Because it locks in your fresh accuracy settings and gives your mouse cursor a clean, stable area to hunt for line endpoints. Once you complete this final setting update, your green snap squares will instantly lock onto corners like a magnet without any lag or errors. Now your precision alignment fix is fully finished, and your drawing canvas is perfectly smooth to use. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. First, you type UCS base and set it to 1 to give the system a closer math checkpoint. Next, you select all your lines and use the Move tool to shift them to 0, 0, 0 to return to the center of the world canvas. Finally, you open your Options panel under the Drafting tab to lock down your high-precision mouse tracking boxes. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.